GL Studio, the industry's fastest user interface runtime framework, just got super friendly to use. Whether you're designing automotive infotainment and gauge clusters or aircraft avionics and ground control stations, you can now go from scratch to concept in record time. Our UX designers and engineers took a magnifying glass to our user experience and made major workflow improvements. Our new dark theme's improved contrast makes development easier on your eyes. You'll find intuitive groupings of common properties in basic and advanced modes in the Properties tab. We've updated padding, provided visual separation, intuitive arrangement, clearer iconography, friendlier search bars, and hover state improvements. We've made it easier to find high-use buttons like alignment, formatting, and font settings. You can now edit your text in a natural fashion and quickly copy formatting from one text object to many. Our new widget library allows you to click and place customizable controls like sliders, buttons, nested folder trees, and more. Now, faster than ever, you can build complicated form UIs and control panels for desktop, safety, and non-safety embedded platforms. And our revised package manager removes the guesswork in adding horsepower to your design. We are proud to share our innovation in GL Studio 7.0 with you. If you need to create high-performance UIs, and you want to do so with an intuitive design environment, purchase your copy of GL Studio 7 today.